So I have this SP26 flash, and it's been more than 10 years. Flash is still working, but I regularly have to replace the battery latch here, right? Because it's Nikon has this one problem from long time ago to today. It rusts. Inside is okay, inside the battery latch is okay, but outside is rusting. It's not because of the battery, it's because from the sweat or any wet things that when we open this thing. So we have to replace this one with an aluminum foil. Aluminum foil is conductive, and just to remove this battery latch, just push it forward, right, and gently pierce this end here out. Okay, there's a small clip here, small plastic piece here. It might broke, but still you can put it back in, and there you go, it won't fall. So today I'm gonna replace this contact here with an aluminum foil. Lativisa, Malaysia. Thank you. So you first need to remove this piece of cover. Just use a tiny electronics tool here to just peel it open like that, right? And it'll pop up like this, and you can put the aluminum foil here, put some sandpaper there, and put an epoxy, and then you can cut aluminum foil, replace it as is shown here. Okay, I'm going to do that now. So that's the completed work. You replace it. This is the old stuff, and let's give it a try. Ordinary batteries, non-rechargeable, just for testing purpose. Oops, there you go, and there you go. So let's slot this thing in. Switch it on. See here, oops, just right there. There you go, it's on, and we are good to go. Light is ready. Good luck.